Listen, Charlie, about the seatbelts, I really could not be bothered. They are just too confining. A king needs his freedom.
I have a really good excuse, okay? I just got my belly button pierced, and if I wear a seatbelt, it could push it in. It would stab me and make it bleed. I know I should wear a seatbelt, but they are just so uncomfortable. And honestly, I like to relax when I drive.
There are 1,000,001 excuses for not wearing safety belts. Some are real killers.